effects under control.
Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma on Thursday chaired a meeting of the High Part Committee on the construction of the new Assembly building at Mau Diang Diang. The meeting was attended by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira, legislators Charles Pingrok, Lakman Rimboy and Banteidor Lingdor, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Commissioner and Secretary Meghalaya Assembly Dr. Andrew Simmons and other government officials. Following the meeting, the Assembly Speaker informed that the HPC meet was held to give administrative approval to the new design of the dome as well as financial approval, citing the increase of scope of work. He stated that the new design has been vetted by IIT Roorkee and IIT Guwahati and added that the construction work of the building will proceed now. He also informed that the HPC has appointed a Program Monitoring Committee, PMC, as per the observations made by IIT Guwahati in the report on the collapse of the dome.
The HPC sat down to approve, give the administrative approval, and also there were some financial approvals also were required, because since the scope of work has also been increased. Additional amount, not much, but as you see there, certain the scope of work has increased. Because of that, the revision was required. So that has also been approved. So the work can proceed now, and we have also complied with all the observations made by Guwahati IIT upon the collapse of the dome.
Health Minister